Hey guys, welcome to my channel, This, That, and More. My name is Jackie Pagan. Happy New Year's. Thank you so much for taking our time to watch this video. I hope that you will subscribe, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let's jump on in. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, This, That, and More. My name is Jackie. Welcome. Please subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and become part of my YouTube channel family. This is my first video in this channel, so I hope that you like it, and I hope that you continue to come back and watch more videos. Go ahead and continue to watch as I remove my decorations from Christmas and begin to transition to the next season. It was very bittersweet, but I am excited for 2022 and excited for what is next. So again, welcome to my channel. Keep watching, subscribe, share, invite others to come and join us. Thank you again for selecting to watch this video, and continue watching. I began to remove the ornaments in color so that I can put them away in color so I can have them all together. So that way for next year, I'll be able to have all my ornaments color coded. And so I quickly started doing the white ornaments, and these ornaments actually are glass. The other ones are all shatterproof, but these ones specifically are glass, so I was trying to remove them individually before it broke, and as you can see there, I ended up dropping one, so I had to quickly sweep up the glass ornaments because I do have a dog and I didn't want him to get hurt. But I thought about it when I was taking off the green ornaments, said let me take off the white ones first so I don't drop one, and I still ended up dropping it. So I ended up turning on the lights for one last time. As I was taking the ornaments, I started thinking, well, let me turn on the lights because this is the last time the tree is going to be lit and even, available for us to look at. So I ended up turning on the lights for the last couple of ornaments right before I dismantled the actual tree. It looks so pretty and so beautiful. I am gonna miss Christmas. I think it looks so like icicle and so just so beautiful. have two Christmas trees, one in this living room and one in my second living room. I removed the ornaments from the other tree, and I didn't do that on camera because I didn't want this video to be 1 hour. So you will be seeing me going back and forth, bringing those ornaments from the other side of the house and storing them in the Christmas bin. Began to switch over to my dining room area and remove the wall decors from Christmas there so everything could be all together in one bin, even though it's two separate locations. Back to the living room. This is a tree bag that I got on Amazon, and I tell Alexa shut off the light so I can go ahead and break down the tree. But the tree bag that I got on Amazon, it is a set of 3. It comes with a tree bag. It comes with 2 other bags that can be used for anything, but it was a steal. It was, I think, $19.99 if I'm not mistaken. More information about the tree bag set will be in the description bar, so go ahead and take a look at that if you're interested. If you ever thought about getting a tree bag, it is the best thing. I prefer it over the box. I always gotta be tying up the box because it never goes back the same way, so I will recommend it. is the end of day 1 for me. Now this is day 2. I just started recovering from COVID, so just that part of the breakdown of Christmas for the living room had me exhausted. So day 2, I'm starting in the dining room. I will be taking the decorations from my office and the other rooms of the house. Only the ones that go into this bin are the ones that I am currently removing from the different areas of the home. I also store my candles if they are either half full or if they are almost brand new. I store my candles and just use them the following year. Do you also store your candles? Let me know in the comments below if your candles are still full or halfway. Will you store them or do you use them until they are finished completely, even if it's a seasonal scent? Leave the comment below. I'm interested to know. And here I am storing the wreaths in one of the bags that comes with the set. This set brings 2 bags, and one of my bags are being used for the wreaths. And here is the second bag of the set I'm going to use to store my garlands and any additional items I have around the house. Alright guys, so this is all of the Christmas ornaments and tree store. That's the Christmas tree bag with the 2 bags that came in the set, and the 2 bins are full of also decoration. This will be stored in my garage until next Christmas. Thank you guys for joining me in this first video. I hope that you come back and watch the next part of cleaning and decorating for winter season. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for joining me today.